EasyLayerManager opens directly inside your viewport with a single click. You can also bring it up instantly using its dedicated shortcut. The HUD is fully draggable, move it anywhere on your screen, and it stays visible even when you select objects. You can also minimize it at any time to keep your workspace clean. To organize your scene, simply select a few objects, choose a layer, and click Insert. Your selection is now perfectly grouped inside that layer. Layers can be reordered freely. Just drag and drop them to rearrange the structure of your scene exactly how you want. Multi-selection is fully supported. Hold Shift or Control to select several layers, then toggle visibility with one click. I implemented this system so that clicking a layer instantly selects everything in it. Shift-click lets you combine layers, and the Select action picks all their objects at once. And if you expand a layer, you can select individual objects directly from there. You can also change the viewport display mode for the selected layer, switch between shaded, wireframe, or bounding box. To simplify your layer, merge multiple layers into a single one. Their objects are automatically combined and kept organized. The built-in search bar lets you find layers or objects instantly. Just type the name, for example, wall, and it's right there ready to select. And here you can also assign a color to any layer. You just click the dot and choose whatever color you want, and it makes everything a lot clearer when you have many layers on screen. When you select a layer or an object inside EasyLayerManager, it automatically focuses that element in Blender's outliner. No more scrolling through endless hierarchies. In the Preferences panel, you can customize every part of the HUD. Choose between a light or dark theme, adjust its size between standard and big layouts, and even change transparency for better blending in your workspace. You can also personalize colors, text size, buttons, and icons, making EasyLayerManager fit perfectly into your own workspace and visual style. Simple, smart, EasyLayerManager, now available on Superhive. Link in the description.